today it is all about the tech stocks and really the focus on social media.
Yeah, well, specifically Snapchat. There was some commentary coming from Evan Spiegel, again, the CEO of that company, at a conference yesterday. He noted that the macroeconomic environment has definitely deteriorated further and faster than they expected. And that alone sent the stock down, get this, over 40%. I usually try to make some sort of snap joke, but today is no time for jokes for this company. I mean, that's a substantial move just intraday.
It's not that kind of day, right? When you look at where tech stocks are headed, and really the move today magnified by the fact that Snap reported just a month ago. And they're now...
Right, it was not earnings yesterday.
It wasn't earnings. Yep. This came through a filing. Updated guidance. And the company has said that within the last month, to Brian's point, the macroeconomic environment has deteriorated further and faster than anticipated. A number of reasons given by Evan Spiegel. He said inflation, concerns around the war in Ukraine, supply chain issues. All of that is adding up to costs for companies who are now rethinking their ad spend. And it's not just Snap, of course. We're seeing some of their competitors, Meta down in a big way, Alphabet down, Apple down as well. And, you know, this is one of those moments, Brian, where, you know, we were talking about this with retail last week, where we hear one company talk about deteriorating conditions and then all the other companies kind of get lumped into it. Because the question here is this a Snap specific story, or is this something that spells concern for these other names?
It's not, and we were showing the stocks of other kind of tech-adjacent social media companies that have also been taking a spill. Pinterest down 27%. I mean, again, at the surface, people might be saying, well, this seems to be a little bit of an overreaction to what was one company lowering their guidance estimates for the second quarter. But when you take a look at Bank of America Securities after the Snap news saying that the ad recession concerns are becoming a reality, that is something that is not idiosyncratic just to Snapchat. So they're saying that this is going to be a negative read for e-commerce, for any other type of company that has advertising as a substantial part of their revenue streams.